Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into the Intraday Master. So today was quite an adventurous day. There was a lot of drop and decay in the market today, especially the call options. But most of our trades were on the call side. I'll just show you that. So starting off, we enter into a good morning cradle, which was on 24,450 put option and 920, and we bought it at 135. And on the other side, there was a contra entry where the good morning cradle triggered at 24,650 call option, the 925. So we took it at 154, and now we managed how to take the profits and losses. So first trigger of the day came at 940, where this dropped below our stop loss level. So 25 points is the general stop loss level that I keep on Nifty. So over here, the target was for it to close below 128 and then we'll exit. But a big red candle came. It took an extra 10 points. We weren't distracted by that because we saw that 24,450, sorry, 24,550 put option was moving well, and we booked the partial quantity at 1:1 ratio. And then about half an hour later, it booked at 1:2 ratio, and then immediately within a minute, it went to 1:3 ratio. So this profit completely overcame this loss, and then we moved on to the next, which was a bottom fetching opportunity at 53,000 call option at 1026. We saw that the market was going to give a little boost, so we bought in at 615. As you can see, 680. Generally, I keep 50 points, but there was a little movement on this candle, so I waited. 680 is where I saw resistance, so I booked partial quantity there. And then at 100 points over here, we booked another partial quantity. And then we shifted the stop loss with a balanced quantity over here at 1125. See, for 1 hour I held this trade and was waiting for the breakout, but market was negative overall. Even though on the call side, if you can see, all these are all call trades. So we did book some good profit on this trade. Now coming to the Sensex 81,400 call option. This was a momentum change which I had updated on my group, which is the support group, that 81,400 call option we're observing for momentum change, and it triggered at 10:45 exactly. So 525 was the first buy, and the first exit, partial exit, was always at our 1:1 level, that is 50 points, 575. And with that, we managed our risk. We eliminated all the risk on the bottom below 525. So we shifted the balance to cost, and then it came and hit about 20 minutes later. Then again at 11:41, we saw a bottom fishing opportunity on 81,400 call option again at 452 was the trigger. And almost an hour later, it hit our first target at 1:1. And though we kept the target of 1:2, but it did not go beyond 510, I think 5 or 10 or 515 is where it started reversing. So the balance quantity, since we had already booked some profit on this collectively on the Nifty, and then very good profit on the Bank Nifty, and then good profit on this momentum change. Then our bottom fishing. So what I did was I trailed the stop loss a little above cost. So 452 was our buy, 402 was our stop loss. But I moved it 10 points up and came and hit that. So whatever was made over here was partially almost 80% went off over here. So all in all, a good day. And if you'd like to know more about these strategies, the good morning cradle was the bottom fishing. This was the momentum change. And this again was bottom fishing. All these updates are in my group. You can go ahead and ping me, or you can email me on the email address in the description, and we will get to discussing about how we can make these courses work better for you.